part of the 2-foot jump, we're going to start without skates. If you just think of a basic 2-foot jump, so you bend your knees and then the pressure goes onto the ball of your foot, which is great because that's where we're going to be when we skate anyway, and then you're going to push up through the ball of your foot and jump. Now when you land, you want to come back to the ball of your foot again. So it's push, ball of your foot, and then land on the ball of your foot, and then flat foot. So that's kind of how it's going to work on skates. But you don't want to go too far forward because you don't want to land on your toe stop. So you want to practice that a few times, really feel where your weight's going to and from. Let's go get our skates on. Skates are on, but we're still in the same spot. So this is a really good place to start a 2-foot jump, is on the grass, because if you fall over, it's nice and soft. Also, knee pads, I haven't got mine on, as usual, they're in the car, but yeah, put yours on, keep yourself safe. So think about the exact same thing again. So we're going to bend our knees. Now, this is going to feel weird because the skates are heavy, so it's almost going to pull you down. So you're probably going to have to put a little bit more effort in to get off the ground. Skates are heavy. Okay, you ready? So bend, push through the balls of your feet and back down. So my balls and my feet, when I come back down, are the first thing to touch. So the front truck hits first and then it flattens. Let's do it one more time. Bend, push up for the ball of your feet and back down. Remember to bend when you land to really soften so you don't jar your body. One more time, bend. There we go. Should we try it rolling? Make sure you do it a few times, get really confident, and then we can head to the pavement. So I've moved to the pavement, but you need to make sure that the piece you're trying it on hasn't got too much of a camber. It's not too curved, so you need to be able to stand still and your wheel's not rolling anywhere. So I think I've got a good bit. Yeah, this is a good place to start. So we're going to do the exact same thing, but we're not going to go anywhere, we're just going to try it on the pavement. Like that. So the exact same thing, it's going to feel a lot harder when you land because obviously now you're landing on concrete, so bend your knees. So bend, push through the ball of your foot and come back down. Let's try it moving. The most important thing, other than your safety gear, is to keep your feet in the direction of travel. So if you land and your feet have twisted against your direction of travel, you're going to fall over. So you need to make sure that your feet are straight or parallel to each other so you don't knock your feet together, but also that they remain in the direction of travel. So if I jump and I'm traveling in this direction and I jump and I come back down with my feet twisted against my direction of travel, it's going to end badly. So try to remember, always keep the feet in the direction of travel. So you want a little bit of speed on this, not too much speed, a level that you're comfortable with, but bearing in mind if you're outdoors you need a bit of speed so if there's any obstacles you're still going to travel over them. Right, let's do it. Exactly the same technique as before, little bit of speed, get your feet rolling together and there. It's not easy, take your time. One more go, feet together, there. Be patient with yourself, it's not easy, keep yourself safe, you'll get it, it's great fun. The next trick I'm going to show you is a bunny hop. Now for this trick you go off of your toe stop going forwards, so it's quite a different trick but it's quite a fun one to learn. So you can use either foot, whichever foot you feel most comfortable. So I'm going to do it on my right foot. So it goes up, toe stop goes in, you lift and down, and that's it. I'll show you from this side so you can see what this foot does. So it goes out, in, up, down. And then if I show you from this side, you can see this foot. There we are. So it's nice and simple. Let's try it moving. So think of it as a little spring. Don't just skate along forwards and do that because you'll fall over. Okay, let me show you. So a little bit of speed, and then foot forward and hop. And you can do lots in a row. So it's in, lift, down. So this foot is progressing. I'm just going to quickly show you on the other foot for anyone who's more comfortable doing left toe stop in. So we'll do left, like that. So this foot's always progressing. And there we go. Now there is a little progression I can show you on this one, which is that. So I'll show you that one as well. So the progression of the bunny hop is to do hop, hop, down, down, or hop, hop, down, down. I'll show you. So hop, hop, down, down, hop, hop, down, down, or hop, hop, down, down. The last trick is a little bit trickier. So this is like a transition. So when you turn on a transition, you briefly hold this position. So this is a spread in which you hold this position for a long time and go in a circle. The straighter your feet are, the straighter you'll go. So if you have your feet completely straight, you'll go in a straight line. But it's a lot easier to have them in a slight V, which means you'll just go in a circle. And obviously the tighter the V, the tighter your circle will be. So I'll show you how it works. The easiest way, as with all tricks, is to use a little bit of speed. So we're going to do a couple of pushes and then we're going to go into the spread position. I like to swing my leg in front and then do this position, but you can get into it however you feel the most comfortable. Right, let's do it. So because my legs were quite straight there, I was going in quite a straight line. But if I was to tighten my feet, I'd go in a much tighter circle. So I'll show you the circle version as well. See how that was a lot tighter? The key to this trick is to keep this hip open. So the leading hip needs to stay open, otherwise you'll turn into a transition. So let me show you. So you need to keep this hip here. And if you close it, it'll be a transition. And as with all tricks, you can do it on the other foot as well. So I'm doing it by swinging and putting my left foot down and my right foot's leading. But you can also do it by swinging, putting my right foot down and having my left foot lead. So I'll just quickly show you that one as well. So this trick is a lot easier if you're in a rink or a slippier surface that you might find at like a skate park, and also perhaps with a slightly harder wheel, because you need to keep a bit of the roll and it's quite hard outside on this sort of surface.
But